plus minus delta chart. So this is where you sit down with whatever the problem might be, and you say, okay, so what went well? You list that in the pluses. What didn't go so well? That goes in the minuses. And a lot of times in reflective charts, it stops there. And this is what I love. The delta means change.
Yes.
What can we change to make it better for next time? And you can use this each day. You could use it at the end of a lesson, at the end of the week, the unit. I know I use it often, even with my high school kids. At the end of, we have like a 6-day cycle.
Okay.
So at the end of the 6-day cycle, I just want you to take 5 to 10 minutes. I just want you to reflect on how you did, right?
Yes.
Sometimes it's not about how they did. It's about how the class did. And we look at what was good and what was not, well, we had the fire drill or whatever it is that goes on in a normal school day. But it really creates a culture of learning and reflecting. I actually did this at the bottom of all of my lesson plans. So you make a plan, and as we know, things usually don't go as we imagine.
Yes, exactly.
Especially if you have therapists in the house or a schedule change or somebody gets sick and now their medication's off, and been there, done that. So it really allows the adult to be like, all right, it allows it from going from frustration to more of a facilitation. And the thing is, this is think about it. In a hospital, if things are going wrong, you better find a way to fix it.
Right.
And it gives it's not a blame cycle. It's not, well, you didn't turn in your work and I'm frustrated and I'm trying it. It's not about that. It's about a conversation to say, all right, so this is not working. What can we do? You can even use it in your relationships.
Oh, yes.
Right? When this is not working, what about this situation went well? What made me feel a certain way? And this is what I would really love to change to make that better.